Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of commercial cleaning and uncovering the real success stories that can help you take your cleaning business to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, these case studies and tips will provide valuable insights you can apply immediately to your own operations. Let's start with a story that highlights the power of innovation in commercial cleaning. Meet EcoClean Solutions, a mid-sized cleaning company that was struggling with high overhead costs and inefficient processes. They decided to take a bold step by adopting a range of eco-friendly products and technology-driven tools. The results: a 30% reduction in operating costs and a massive boost in client satisfaction. Their secret was simple: invest in the right tools and never stop looking for ways to improve. This leads us to our first tip: don't be afraid to innovate. The commercial cleaning industry is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve can set you apart from the competition. Whether it's using green cleaning products or investing in smart cleaning technologies, these small changes can have a big impact on your bottom line and client satisfaction. Next, let's talk about time management and how it can make or break your cleaning business. Spotless Crews, a fast-growing company, found themselves overwhelmed by the sheer volume of contracts they secured. Their solution? Implementing a time management system that broke down tasks into manageable chunks. By doing so, they were able to complete jobs more efficiently, reduce employee burnout, and even take on more clients without compromising quality. Here's your second tip: master time management. Efficient scheduling and task delegation are key. Use tools like task management apps or even simple checklists to keep everything on track. And remember, time saved is money earned. Now, let's move on to the importance of customer satisfaction. One company that truly excelled in this area is Prime Clean Services. They discovered that the secret to retaining clients wasn't just about doing a good job. It was about doing a job that exceeded expectations every single time. They introduced a feedback loop with their clients, asking for detailed reviews after each service and using that information to continuously refine their approach. So here's your third tip: prioritize client feedback. Don't just clean, clean with the intent to impress. Follow up with your clients, ask for feedback, and make adjustments as needed. This not only helps in building long-lasting relationships, but also in creating a reputation that brings in new business through word of mouth. Finally, let's discuss sustainability, a growing trend in the commercial cleaning industry. Green Glove Services, a small startup, decided to differentiate themselves by going all in on eco-friendly cleaning. They marketed their services to environmentally conscious businesses and quickly became known as the go-to company for green cleaning. Their business grew exponentially, proving that there's a strong market for sustainability. And that brings us to our final tip: go green wherever possible. Eco-friendly products and practices not only attract clients who care about the environment, but also can lead to cost savings in the long run. Plus, it positions your brand as a forward-thinking, responsible business. To sum it up, the key to commercial cleaning success lies in innovation, time management, customer satisfaction, and sustainability. These real-world examples show that with the right strategies, any cleaning business can thrive. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to Dan the Cleaning Man channel for more expert advice and updates in the cleaning industry. And if you have any success stories or tips of your own, share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and here's to your cleaning success.